Today we have an exciting review. We're going to be reviewing the Faxon Firearms 11.5-inch barrel for a 223-556 NATO AR-15. Let's jump right into the video. So here we have the Faxon Duty Series Gunner Profile 11.5-inch AR-15 barrel. So the specifications on this barrel, it is 5.56 NATO. Overall length is 11.5 inches. This is the Gunner Profile, which is a straight to full shoulder. The material is 4150 CMV. Rifling is a 1/8 twist. Finish is black nitride inside and out, which is super cool to see. That's great for longevity on barrels. The muzzle thread is a 1/2 by 28 TPI, so perfect for your suppressors or your muzzle brakes or any other muzzle device. The 11.5-inch barrel is the perfect length for your suppressors. Suppressors range from 4 to 5 inches. You can get longer than that, but it's just the perfect amount of length for your rifle, I think. Now the guys over at Faxon really did a great job at quality inspection. They stretch relieved it, they air gauge tested it, magnetic particle inspection, and they also did a headspace check. So they know what they're doing, and I'm excited to put this on my 11.5-inch build on the FN15. So let's get started and install this thing. We got the upper FN for the AR-15, and we got all the parts that we need to install this. I did remove the old barrel on that. We're just gonna be installing the Faxon barrel onto our AR-15. Now, before you do this, make sure you are compliant with all the rules and everything. It is 11.5 inches, so you're gonna have to have an SBR or a brace on this rifle. My lower is an SBR, so I don't need a brace. I can just put a regular stock on there, which is awesome. First off, they make it super easy to install the barrel. There's a little notch right here, and there's a little pin right there. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna line it up. Super easy, and it's gonna stick in right there. Now, what I would do is put some grease right here to make it snug tight. Next, you're gonna get your bolt for your barrel to your AR upper. Some bolts are different. This one's mine right here. This is a 33 millimeter if you're wondering what socket you're gonna use. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide this over, and you are going to twist. And you're gonna feel a little pressure here, and we're just gonna tighten that. Now, I wouldn't do a hand tight. I would get an Allen wrench. I'm just gonna do this for now, and then tighten it up later. We have the barrel on right there. And that's good right there because you want this little dot facing up towards the gun. All right, so after you installed your bolt for your barrel, you're gonna install your gas block. I chose the low profile Faxon gas block right here, and it fits very comfortably on the barrel, as you see right here. So you're just gonna slide this in and put it in that there, and that's it right there. You're gonna have 3 screws right on the bottom here. You're gonna make sure that that's all tightened down. You also wanna make sure this is pretty straight. So you're gonna line this up, and the nice thing is they have like a cutout right here, so you can't go any farther. It just hits right there, which is awesome. But there we go, there's the low profile gas block in the gun. And then now the fun part, assembling it back up. You also have the threaded barrel, which you can put whatever muzzle device you want on there. I just have just a standard one right here. Hopefully I can get a suppressor for this build soon. But you're gonna just twist that on. You're gonna be putting your M-lock or whatever you have on your AR platform. That's all tight there. Now before you put all your accessories on there, whatever you have, make sure it cycles and everything properly. Before you do so, put some oil on your gun. What I use is this Riptide Armory oil right here. This stuff's awesome. Just like that. Flip the gun over. Make sure it fires okay. And there we go. Now the fun part, we're gonna shoot this thing, see how it fires. I know Faxon is a very, very good company when it comes to barrels, and I'm very excited to see how this shoots compared to an FN barrel. So let's go right to the range and see how it shoots. All right guys, we are at the range. We have the Faxon 11.5-inch barrel on this AR-15, and we're gonna be shooting this at some steel targets about 75 yards. So very excited to shoot this gun and see how it performs. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so we're gonna go for the right swingers and see what we can do. That's sick. That is super cool. This thing's awesome. Well, that is the review on the Faxon 11.5 inch barrel. If you guys are looking for a SBR build and looking for a barrel that will be the best fit for your rifle, I would go with Faxon. They're very good, very accurate. They're a very good price as well if you're looking for just really, really well built AR standard barrel. Especially with that black nitride, this thing will last you a long time. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for Faxon for sending out the barrel. I really appreciate it, and very excited to review some more products from them. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day.